Space is amazing. It's a vast, mysterious expanse that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From the twinkling stars that dot the night sky to the distant galaxies that are millions of light years away, space is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. It's full of stars, planets, and galaxies. Each one is a unique piece of the cosmic puzzle, contributing to the grandeur of the universe. The sheer number of celestial bodies out there is mind-boggling, and each one has its own story to tell. Our solar system is a tiny part of space, but it's still incredibly vast. Imagine zooming out from Earth and seeing our entire solar system laid out before you. It's like a small neighborhood in the grand city of the universe, yet it holds so many secrets and wonders. Our solar system is like a giant cosmic family, with the sun at its heart and 8 planets dancing around it. Each planet orbits the sun in a delicate balance, creating a harmonious dance that has been going on for billions of years. Each planet is unique and special, with its own story to tell. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, every planet has its own characteristics and mysteries. Some have atmospheres, some have moons, and some even have rings. Imagine yourself floating in space, looking down at our solar system. You'd see the planets as tiny dots orbiting the sun, each one following its own path. It's a breathtaking sight that reminds us of the beauty and complexity of the universe. You'd see the sun, a blazing ball of fire, surrounded by 8 planets. The sun is the powerhouse of our solar system, providing the energy that sustains life on Earth and driving the orbits of the planets. Each planet follows its own path, like a well-choreographed dance. The orbits are not random. They are governed by the laws of physics, creating a beautiful and predictable pattern that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. Some planets are small and rocky, while others are huge and made of gas. The diversity of planets in our solar system is astounding. Mars, with its red, dusty surface, is a stark contrast to Jupiter, a massive gas giant with swirling storms. But they all share one thing in common: they're all part of our cosmic family. Despite their differences, the planets are all connected by their orbits around the sun, creating a sense of unity in the vastness of space. As we explore our solar system, we'll discover worlds of fire and ice, rings of dust and rock, and storms that rage for centuries. Each of these phenomena tells us something about the history and nature of our solar system. We'll uncover the secrets of our planetary neighbors and learn about the incredible forces that shape our universe. From the volcanic activity on Io to the majestic rings of Saturn, every discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of our cosmic backyard. So buckle up and get ready for a journey through our cosmic backyard. There's so much to explore and learn, and every step we take brings us closer to understanding the universe we call home. The sun is a star, a massive, glowing sphere of hot gases at the heart of our solar system. It's primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion to produce the energy that lights up our world. This giant ball of hot gas gives us light and heat, essential for life on Earth. The energy from the sun drives our weather, climate, and supports photosynthesis in plants, which is the foundation of our food chain. It's the most important object in our solar system, not just because of its size, but because of its influence. The sun's gravitational pull keeps the planets, including Earth, in their orbits, ensuring a stable environment for life to thrive. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. Its warmth allows liquid water to exist, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. The sun's light is also vital for our mental and physical health. The sun's gravity holds everything together, keeping the planets in their orbits. This gravitational force is like an invisible hand, guiding the planets and ensuring they don't drift off into space. It's like the glue that holds our cosmic family together. Each planet, from the smallest Mercury to the largest Jupiter, dances around the sun in a delicate balance. The sun is incredibly hot. Its surface temperature is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but that's just the beginning. Its surface temperature is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the temperature rises dramatically as you move towards the core. That's hot enough to melt any metal. Imagine the intense heat and energy radiating from the sun, affecting everything in our solar system. Deep inside the sun, it's even hotter, reaching millions of degrees. This extreme heat and pressure in the core are where nuclear fusion occurs, producing the energy that powers the sun. The Sun is also incredibly big. It's a colossal giant compared to other celestial bodies in our solar system. It's so big that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. This immense size and mass make the Sun the dominant force in our solar system, influencing everything from planetary orbits to space weather. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. It's a rocky planet like Earth, but it's much hotter. Imagine standing on Mercury. The Sun would be huge in the sky, and the ground beneath your feet would be scorching hot. Mercury is a speedy little planet, whipping around the Sun faster than any other planet in our solar system. It's like the cheetah of our cosmic family, always on the move. Because it's so close to the Sun, Mercury experiences extreme temperatures. Venus is Earth's closest neighbor in space, but it's a very different planet. Venus is about the same size as Earth, but that's where the similarities end. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus is like a pressure cooker, with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. The surface of Venus is covered in volcanoes and lava flows. It's a hostile and unforgiving world. Section 5, Earth, our blue oasis. Earth is our home, a beautiful blue planet teeming with life. It's the only planet we know of that has life. From space, Earth looks like a blue marble with swirls of white clouds. Oceans cover most of Earth's surface, giving it its distinctive blue color. Earth is at just the right distance from the Sun, not too hot and not too cold. This allows water to exist in liquid form, which is essential for life as we know it. Our planet is a precious oasis in the vastness of space, so we need to protect it. Section 6, Mars, the red planet beckons. Mars has always fascinated humans. It's a cold, dusty planet with a thin atmosphere. Its surface is covered in red dust, which is why it's called the Red Planet. Mars has mountains, valleys, and even polar ice caps, just like Earth. Scientists believe that Mars may have once been a much warmer and wetter planet, perhaps even capable of supporting life. Today, Mars is a dry and dusty place, but it still holds the promise of discovery. Maybe one day humans will set foot on Mars and explore its mysteries. Section 7, Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with a swirling storm that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter is so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it. It's a giant ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface. Jupiter has a faint ring system made up of dust particles. It's not as impressive as Saturn's rings, but it's still a fascinating feature. Jupiter has dozens of moons, some of which are even larger than the planet Mercury. Section 8. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Saturn is the planet with the rings, a gas giant with a stunning system of rings made up of ice and rock. Saturn's rings are one of the most beautiful sights in our solar system. They're so big and bright that you can even see them with a small telescope. Saturn is a gas giant, like Jupiter, but it's much less dense. It's so light that it could float on water. Saturn has many moons, some of which are very strange and intriguing. Section 9, the outer reaches, Uranus, Neptune, and beyond. Uranus and Neptune are the ice giants of our solar system, cold and distant worlds. These planets are composed mainly of elements like water, ammonia, and methane, which exist in a frozen state due to the frigid temperatures so far from the Sun. Their atmospheres are thick with hydrogen and helium, giving them a unique composition compared to the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus is a strange planet that's tilted on its side. This unusual tilt means that its poles experience extreme seasons, with each pole getting around 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. This tilt is believed to be the result of a massive collision with an Earth-sized object long ago. It rotates on its side, which makes it unique in our solar system. This sideways rotation affects the planet's weather patterns and magnetic field, creating a complex and dynamic environment that scientists are still trying to fully understand. Neptune is a blue planet with the fastest winds in our solar system. These winds can reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, creating massive storms and dynamic weather systems. Neptune's deep blue color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies, including the dwarf planet Pluto. This vast ring-like zone extends from about 30 to 55 astronomical units from the Sun and is home to many small icy objects that are remnants from the early solar system. Pluto was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, but it was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. This reclassification was due to the discovery of other similar-sized objects in the Kuiper Belt, leading astronomers to redefine what constitutes a planet. Our solar system is full of wonders, from the smallest asteroid to the largest planet. Each object, no matter its size, plays a crucial role in the cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. The diversity of these celestial bodies provides endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. There's so much to explore and discover, from the icy realms of the Kuiper Belt to the mysterious depths of Uranus and Neptune. The outer reaches of our solar system hold secrets that continue to intrigue and inspire scientists and space enthusiasts alike. The journey to understand these distant worlds is just beginning, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future.